It's embarrassing. She'll burp at anyone or anything. She's so revolting and disgusting and repulsive to me. My little lady's so obnoxious. Today she walked onto a Greyhound bus store. That little filthy pig is so obscene. I'm really glad she doesn't like me. She's so revolting and disgusting and repulsive to me. Yeah. Oh.